Today on Mike Attempts, installing a door seal. This door seal is almost 11 years old. It's torn and needs to be replaced. I opened the door slightly and shoved the rug under the end for support. A punch helps to remove the hinge pins. If you don't have a punch, you could use a nail. Be sure the door is supported before removing the final pin. I put a blanket on my patio table to protect the door. Here's a better view of the damage. I thought I could just yank it off, but it's in there pretty tight. With just a little help from a flathead screwdriver, it was easy to pull out. I used a putty knife to scrape off the old caulking and clean out the two grooves. There are many different types, but this one is a concealed, trim-to-fit door seal. I measured the bottom of the door as well as the length of the grooves. These two barbed strips fit into the grooves to secure the seal to the door. I used a razor knife to cut the plastic barbs to length, and then just bent the excess back and forth until it could be torn off flush. The ends of the door grooves are tapered, so I cut the barbed strips a little shorter to compensate. I used a hacksaw to cut the seal to the exact measured length. It's not required, but feel free to put a small dab of silicone caulking on each end of the seal. A rubber mallet is handy to tap in the new seal without causing any damage. A block of wood and a regular hammer would also work. Reinstall the pins and you're done. Feel free to rate this video, add your comments and questions below, and subscribe for more.